All right, let's have a look at Microsoft stock technical levels to watch from here, price levels to watch from here. So in the morning, it was already gapping down due to downgrade by UBS. UBS downgraded stock to, I believe, 250, but it was hovering at that level. But from 300 price target, they downgraded to 250. And from buy to neutral, UBS, if you're not familiar, I mean, it's investment bank basically in Switzerland. They manage, I think, $4 trillion assets under management. So big downgrade. So what to watch from here in terms of daily price action? Let's switch to a daily chart. So on a daily chart, I was watching basically recent lows of a 234 as a support, this blue line, and it did breach it and pretty clean breakdown, but it's pretty big gap down. So I'm not sure if we're gonna try to attempt to fill these type of gaps, but so far from here until stock gets back above 234, I'm going to be watching it to the downside all the way to 213. 213 is for Microsoft is 52-week lows. If I switch to monthly chart and 5-year chart, if I bring it up, you can see last year the theme for Microsoft. Every time it tried to bounce, gave back, and you can see these are monthly candles. So far, January started with pretty big red candles. So far, it's been only 2 days of a trading session in 2023, but below 213, we have a support, decent support at $200 levels for Microsoft. Not gonna run too much ahead from here. Just want to show you, even though it's too early, most active stock options today. I mean, Microsoft on top, that 7, 8, and not significantly more like puts coming in. Like you can see just by giving example of you. So these are the stocks that are leading in terms of most active options, right? So if I wanted to short Apple or Microsoft right here, right now, I would have watched if flow, like what's going on with the option activity. Are people aggressively buying puts because of that downgrade, or not? So 52% puts being traded so far, 47% calls being traded so far. So it doesn't give me any clue whether I should go. Again, I'm just a little bit of a rant for those people who are active just like me. I would look for something like this. Among all these, two standing out to me are the Alibaba getting significantly more call volume. And if you look at the Boeing, 80% of the option activity today, even though volume is low, okay, you got to pay attention to the volume as well. 81% bullish. I mean, calls being traded. So by looking at the option activity for Microsoft, nothing to highlight. A little bit more puts being traded than calls so far, and it's still early to tell, right? So, but in terms of the volume, just volume in general, Microsoft is second leader so far. First is Tesla. Tesla is pretty much hovering around at the positive territory, but Microsoft is the biggest loser today. You can see the heat map, and we have FOMC coming up soon in a couple hours today. But to the upside, that's the level to watch, 234, and also 5-day simple moving average if you are ultra short-term trader. But so far, even if you look at the overall major moving averages, they're all downtrending. 200-day moving average, red line on my chart, in a downtrend. 50-day was pretty much trying to uptrend, but now it's going to curl down. So if 50-day moving average comes down to 238, 236, 237, that means we're back to downtrend. So anytime you see 50-day moving average curl like this, you got to be basically short buys. Same thing here. And again, it's not an advice. It's just simple These things do not predict future prices, but these are the levels to keep an eye to control the risk reward. So basically, so thanks for watching. See you in the next update. Take care. Peace.